Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are heading to Okinawa Zoo and Museum, and also Bios no Oka, I think. Yeah, so today it's a very rainy day. We are on our way to Okinawa Zoo. We're in a taxi. Tomi's right here. Yeah, so that's what we have planned for today. So we're here at the Okinawa Zoo. I'm freezing, by the way. I have to put on my jacket, but the freaking zoo is closed. Can you imagine? We came. Okay, the darn zoo is closed, and we're outside freezing. I don't know what we're gonna do, but we're gonna go. Maybe we'll go to the Bios no Oka place. Wait on some other Jamaicans to come, and then we'll decide where we're gonna go next or something like that. All right. So where are we going? Where are we going, guys?
Dora's house.
It's somewhere. Dora. Is the Aeon Mall we're going, right?
No,
okay. Alright. Whoa! It's so windy. Guys, I left the mainland to get some warmth, but guess what? Today is freaking cold. Very, very cold. Woo! This place has breadfruit tree, banana tree, and a lot of different plants. It's a beautiful place. We have some activities that we're gonna be doing here.
That can hurt me. No spiders, no lizards, no reptiles, no snakes. Oh, hi!
We're going in a boat. Guys, we're on the boat ride. Say hi, guys. Hi. Look at the dock. This is so cool. Yeah, suicide free.
Are called or flying spider monkey trees. So these ferns are also called snake trees.
Snake trees? Okay.
じゃあ今度ちょっと皆様正面、先ほどのね、日陰でこの木の幹に
And I'm at the front,
す
so
ごい葉っぱがね、変
anything
な形
the
が
first person
ビ
to
カ
get
クシ
eaten.
ダと言います。このビカクシダ、この名前の由来なんですけれども、ちょっとね、逆さまになってるので少し見づらいと思うんですが、この葉っぱをね、逆にしてみると、
There are over 800 genera
This is so
or biological families and 25,000 varieties of orchids in the world. About 80% of them grow on other trees, which is called epiphytes or bare plants. However, they do not absorb nutrients from the host trees, so they can grow even on dry woods or concrete blocks. Here at Bios no Oka Park, our staff has planted orchids on the trees.
kawaii, very cute.
ただ
Look
も
at
し
these.
捕まえる機会があったら、一つだけ気をつけてほしい。当的な踊り、琉球舞踊を踊ってくれているお姉さんがいらっしゃいます。今からね、近くに寄ってますので、皆さん近くで、写真とか撮っても OK なので、見てみてください。後ろの方も見やすいようにね、ちょっと左右それぞれ横の方に時計行きたいと
Oh, that's a kid. Isn't it a kid? Oh, that. Oh no, that's a woman. Up next, canoeing.
Okay.
ここで、水牛これでセンターをパッションここは右左これでこれで
Oh, okay.
OK バッブレーキブレーキこれブレーキノンストップよノンストップブレーキあとはバックこれバックバックするとバックするとストップバックブレーキでバックとストップ今度
Right, it's canoe time. Ooh. Oh, you're first. Bye, guys. Roll. Woo! They're over there when in the canoe. And the boat stopped coming because we crashed earlier too. So guys, the canoeing over there and there is a boat over there. Oh my gosh. But wait, let's us. Guys, we're in the middle of the pond. Is this a pond, right?
I don't know.
Yes. And the water is carrying us, drifting us.
Rain
Too.
a fall.
And it's raining.
No rain a fall.
Breeze a blow.
Chicken
Bati. Outa.
door.
Door.
It's so cold.
Woo.
Roll my boat.
Rolling down to what street?
No man, it's not cold.
Yeah, it's cold. It's cold plus it's raining. Come, turn. Wait, turn!
Wait, shoot, that turned the wrong way.
Hold on there. We have.
Relax, I got it.
Okay. Alright, you know what?
Okay.
How about?
Go now.
Alright. Woo! Alright. Anyways, guys, we're gonna head back. Wow. This is nice. How do we exit though? Trying to exit this place, guys. We stopped at this bougie department store and we went to a Thai restaurant. So this is
But it's actually a flavor.
this is what I got from Thai food. This is chicken with egg and rice, and I also got mango juice. It's spicy.
Yeah.
Nice. I like spicy food.
Can I do that side too?
Oh, yes.
The next day.
At the jacuzzi. It's New Year's Eve, so only a few more hours until 2020 is over and done with. We're heading to a fancy dinner right now. I'm waiting on Tommy to come out so that we can take the elevator and go meet up with other girls. But I'm not sure what we're going to be doing tonight to ring in the new year, but it's gonna be lit regardless. This is the fancy place we're at. Guys, so it's almost the new year. We're at American Village.
Which parties? We're in the darkness. New Year's we get to in our light.
I front towards the light.
Woo! I'm cold.
Get him a coat.
Where?
3, 2, 1. Happy New Year!
Is it actually fireworks?
There's no fireworks. Woo! We missed it.
We never missed it.
Well,
What we miss?
that's true. There's nothing to miss.
We missed the crowd.
Yeah.
Time for a 3 to 1.
Happy New Year. What the hell?
Shout out for me.
This is nice.
The next day.
This looks like Miami. You know, with the palm trees.
I wish we stayed here first. You're driving on the road, somebody cuts you off while you're in Jamaica. What do you say?
Get out of the way, you batty boy! Right?
So it's a new day. It's January 1st and we're heading to our third and final hotel. I'm not ready to live my life yet, okay? Yeah, so that's it. Yeah, because we have to die one day, aren't we?
Yep.
Gonna die?
We got 9 lives, alright?
Yeah,
Let's
so
just waste one talking.
no, I'm good. Yeah, guys, so
Can you imagine if people actually had 9 lives? The shit they would do? Yeah.
no, but you know it's painful to die though. Why are we talking about death?
We wouldn't know
The
that.
first
How
year.
does she know that?
No, because remember when have you ever tried stopping your birth? Or it's very painful, so can you just imagine like dying?
It's not painful.
How do you know that?
Dying is painful. Death can't be painful because you're already dead.
Dying is painful. How you die is painful. Like,
I want to just die in my sleep. Like I want to be in a deep sleep and just not wake up.
If
That's all.
somebody can shoot me straight through
see,
the heart,
that's painful there.
How is that painful?
Because you don't know that you're dead. Like,
Yeah,
how
but
you
if
know
no,
if you're
for example, if
fucking
we
dead.
yeah, but when you die now, if you die now, you won't know that you were dead.
True, but your soul will get up and your body will be like, oh, wow, I'm dead.
You watch too much movie. Anyways.
So much shit. That's exactly
Anyways,
what
guys,
happened,
like I
actually.
said,
Like, I'm
we're heading
dead
to
as
our
hell,
third
like,
hotel, but
shit.
first we're gonna get some
I would probably
food.
like get up
And
try
then
go
yeah,
to school
so
or something.
this is January
I would
1st.
be so fucking pissed. I'm like, wait,
2021.
I
Can't see. Oh, thank you. It's so kind. Oh, this side is more beautiful. We're in an arcade here in Okinawa.
I don't got yet.
Come on, Tony, you can do it. Come on, Tony. Come on. He won.
I beat you. Let's go.
Just by a little bit. A little bit. She couldn't beat me even if if she was trying.
Alright guys, so her score was 33, his score was 39, and I'm gonna beat you guys. Okay?
Let's see what she'll get.
I'm pretty sure she ain't gonna do this. Oh, that was cute. What?
You got a good strategy though. There's no weapon.
She's in last place.
Whatever! Guys, second round 54, 30.
Alright,
We're in our third apartment. I keep on saying apartment. We're in our third hotel in Okinawa. So I'm gonna give you guys a quick room tour.